Hi, teachers. Are you ready for the first day of school? You may have your classroom set up and your lesson plans prepared. But are you really ready? What I mean is, are you emotionally ready? You have taken care to welcome your future students to your classroom, but what have you done to take care of yourself? How do you plan to go back to the classroom this year? I'm sure you have planned your classroom rules. So, what are your personal rules and best practices for the new school year? Here are 7 things to set in motion 1 week before the first day of school. For a successful new school year, start your early morning sleep routine. Setting a consistent sleep schedule is the first step in getting back into the rhythm of early mornings, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to seize the day with renewed energy. Start a gratitude practice. Each night, take a moment to practice gratitude, reflecting on the positives, especially during challenging times, to nurture a positive mindset. This will help you maintain a healthy and positive outlook when you have difficult work days. Plan your meals and school lunches. Plan your meals mindfully, as a healthy lunch not only fuels your body, but also provides the energy your brain needs to function optimally, given that it uses more energy than other parts of your body. Give yourself a treat. Don't forget to incorporate a daily self-care treat to give yourself a much-needed boost. Whether it's indulging in a piece of dark chocolate, taking a morning walk, or unwinding with an evening workout, these small acts of self-care can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Make a vision board. As you approach the new school year, take some time to set your intentions and aspirations for this academic year on a vision board. Visualizing your goals can be a powerful motivator and help keep you focused on what you wish to achieve. Start a daily affirmation practice. Empower your day and boost your confidence by starting each morning with a powerful daily affirmation that sets the tone for positivity and success. Start a growth mindset. Most importantly, set your best practices in motion with a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that mistakes and challenges are valuable learning experiences, not failures. This mindset will empower you to adapt, grow, and thrive as an educator, making a positive impact on both yourself and your students. Remember, taking care of your well-being is not just beneficial for you. It directly influences your ability to create a nurturing and inspiring learning environment for your students. So, let's approach this new school year with enthusiasm, self-compassion, and a commitment to personal growth.